If you want to launch a business fast without depleting your life savings, then do this. Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm talking to the person who is done overthinking, done waiting for the perfect time, and done watching everyone else build a business while you're still trying to figure out where to even begin. So let me say this clearly. If you want to launch a business fast without draining your savings or blowing through money you don't have, then you're going to love what I'm about to walk you through. I'm going to break this down step by step so you can see a path forward that's simple, accessible, beginner friendly, and proven. We're going to talk about what's actually slowing people down, what you should be doing instead, why beginner friendly digital business models are the fastest entry point, a system that takes away the guesswork, and why you do not need to pay in full upfront. Yes, Turnkey Flow offers flexible payment plans so you can start without financial stress. This is about creating a new normal for you. Let's get into it. The real reason people never start. The biggest misconception about starting a business is thinking you need thousands in startup capital, tech skills, a fancy brand, or months of prep before you ever make a dollar. Let me tell you what actually stops people. Confusion, lack of direction, trying to build everything from scratch, and honestly, fear of wasting money. I know this because 90% of the people I coach say the exact same thing. The truth, you don't need more money. You need a faster path to clarity, action, and results. Because when you see progress, you build belief. And when belief builds, you take bigger action. That's momentum. And momentum is currency. The fast start shift most people never make. If you want to launch quickly, here's the mindset shift that you must make. Stop trying to be the inventor. Start being the implementer. Write that down. People waste years trying to create the perfect thing from scratch when they could simply leverage something that is already working for them. Inside Turnkey Flow, we call it modeling what's already proven. You take a ready-to-go business system, you take ready-to-sell digital products, you follow the steps, and you add your voice, your story, your journey. That's how everyday people, beginners, launch within days instead of months. And that's why I say this next part with full confidence. If you want speed and sustainability, leverage a turnkey digital business model. Why digital businesses are the fastest, lowest risk path. Let's break this down practically. A digital business doesn't require inventory, doesn't require shipping, doesn't require overhead, doesn't require years of experience, doesn't require massive capital, can be launched from your phone, and has unlimited earning potential. This is why beginners win here. And in 2025, digital products are exploding. Not because it's a trend, but because people crave digital learning, digital tools, and digital shortcuts. When you tap into that industry, you tap into a wave of demand that's already happening with or without you. The Turnkey Flow Advantage. Now let's talk strategy and why Turnkey Flow is the fastest, simplest, most beginner-friendly way to launch a business without draining your savings. Turnkey Flow gives you a done-for-you digital business, a ready-to-sell product, step-by-step setup, a full marketing foundation, a proven sales system, and community support so you never guess alone. Meaning, you don't need to build tech, you don't need to create your own offer, you don't need to figure it out what to do, what to sell. You plug in, personalize, publish, then promote. Instead of spending thousands building from scratch, you spend a fraction getting something fully functional from day one. And if money has been the thing holding you back, hear me on this. Turnkey Flow has flexible payment plan options so you can start without stressing. No need to stress your bank account. This is how you build a business the smart way, not the stressful way. What to do next? If you want to launch fast without draining your savings, here's your action map. Pick a proven system. Don't build from scratch. Follow the steps. Don't reinvent the wheel. Share your journey. Remember, visibility equals opportunity. Drive traffic daily. Consistency compounds. Start with flexibility. Turnkey flow payments plans make this accessible. You don't need perfect, you need movement. Give yourself the green light. Every successful business owner you admire once stood exactly where you are right now. Curious, hopeful, and scared. But they moved anyway. Let this be your moment too. If you're ready to start a business fast without burying yourself in debt, without wasting months trying to figure it out alone, and without building from scratch, then Turnkey Flow is exactly the system that gets you in the game. Click the link below, explore the details, check out the payment plans, and give yourself the chance you've been craving. Your new normal starts today. Catch you in the next video.